Create your background and give it a radial gradient, like that. And then create a circle from the center, give it a fill color of white, go into outline mode and create 3 copies, just like I'm doing there. Come out of outline mode, make the outer circle opacity 25%, then the next one 50, and then the next one 75, and you're in the circle 100. Give them all a Gaussian blur, a slight one, and then start creating your shelf of your mountain using the pen tool like I'm doing there. Give it a dark purple color, then create your other mountain like I'm doing there, and give it a slightly lighter purple, send it backwards, and then similarly for the third mountain, a lighter shade of purple, then send that to the back as well. Add your wolf, and there's your Howling Wolf picture. Like and follow for more.